In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, your Calendly meetings will automatically sync into HubSpot, saving you time and helping you keep your CRM up to date without any manual work. Let's start inside Calendly. Make sure you're logged in, then go to your Calendly home dashboard. This is the main screen where you normally see your event types and upcoming meetings. From here, we're going to head straight to the integrations area. Look toward the navigation for an option called Integrations and Apps and click on that. This is where Calendly lists all the tools it can connect to, including CRMs like HubSpot, video tools, and other productivity apps. It's essentially your integration hub. Next, switch over to the Admin section within integrations. Depending on your layout, this might be a tab or a filter. The admin view is where you'll see organization level integrations rather than just personal ones, which is important if you're connecting to a shared HubSpot portal. Once you're in the admin area, look for the HubSpot integration and click on Connect HubSpot. Calendly will now start the connection process and open a new window or tab that takes you through HubSpot's authorization flow. In this new window, click on the option to sign into your HubSpot account. If you're not already logged in, HubSpot will first ask for your email address. Type in the email you use for your HubSpot account, then click on Continue. HubSpot will now give you a few sign-in options. To keep it simple and quick, click on Sign in with Google if your HubSpot user is connected to a Google account. This avoids having to remember a separate password and is usually the fastest route. A Google account chooser window will appear. Select the Google account that's associated with your HubSpot login. Once that's confirmed, you'll be taken back to HubSpot, where you may see a list of HubSpot accounts or portals you have access to. Click on the specific HubSpot account you want to connect to Calendly. Then click on Choose Account to confirm your selection. HubSpot will now show you a permission screen, explaining what data Calendly will be able to access or update. To proceed, tick the checkbox indicating that you agree to use a third-party application and install this integration. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click on Connect App. HubSpot and Calendly will finalize the setup and your integration will be active.